Reaper running through the rain. A Macabre Monster. Horrors behind the curtain. A punishment fit for Greek mythology. Disquieting Lust. A Skeleton Contemplating. The Reaper and his sweetheart bound for heaven. A skeleton dancing with a scythe. A circle of entities. Horror meets its head in the street. Disembodied hands reaching for a lost soul. A garland of bodies. Horrors at the table. The Reaper and the Maiden. The Reaper napping over a city.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.